Well, new details in a Pharr Investigates report of a family wanting answers after their 8-year-old son was hit by a truck right outside of their home while riding his bicycle, and the driver never facing charges. Today, a judge granted the family of Caleb Ramirez a temporary injunction. This means that the family of the accused driver, Alex Castillo, cannot get rid of any evidence such as text messages or sell the truck that was involved in the accident. Castillo, who was a minor at the time of the crash, was in court along with his brother Orlando Castillo, who is the owner of the truck that the teen was driving on April 26th.
His name was slandered, stating that he was responsible for his own death since the beginning.
Now, those were Caleb's parents, who you just heard from right there, and they want all of the evidence from the Pharr Police Department collected, including body cam footage, evidence that was gathered from the truck, and any witness statements that police may have done. A piece of evidence that they won't be able to get is a toxicology, because the driver was never tested for alcohol or any substances. Attorneys for the city of Pharr were not present either, because they had already previously agreed prior to the hearing to preserve all of the evidence.
They did the right thing, and their attorney came forward and entered into what's called a Rule 11 agreement with me to where the city agrees to preserve all that relevant evidence.
Now, we did reach out to the Castillo family for comment, but they declined. And it's important to remember, on May 29th, we reported Caleb's case was taken to a grand jury. Ultimately, they decided not to indict the driver. And we were also the first to report on the misinformation released by the Pharr Police Department about the case, which they later corrected after the Pharr Investigates team started asking questions. The family still has not been given an answer into how or who released that inaccurate information. You can follow our in-depth reporting right now on the website that's always working for you, valleycentral.com.